Alright, strong start, let's go.
Strong start.
Alright, what are we doing, Danny?
Domination. Alright, John. Ready to get smoked?
I'm ready to smoke. I got a
Sounds
blunt
like-
ready and everything.
No way.
You want to hit, Danny?
No.
Why not?
'Cause no.
Because you're a pussy?
'Cause no.
What the fuck?
Come on, comrades. We must protect Russia. There! Fire that sharp mod, baby. That's what I'm sure you're saying.
What did you say?
I'm pretty sure you're probably saying, fire the first shots, baby.
We're in the lead.
Aren't you the one that killed me first?
No, it's something you said while playing the campaign.
Danny, I swear to fucking God, we're not having this again.
Yes, we will.
We're
buddy.
not having this again. I'm not doing this.
Yes, we will.
No.
No, dude, no.
Bitch ass.
That's it. I'm gonna put my knife in your neck.
Put my balls in your jaw. Wow, no!
Yeah.
Wow, I fucking had you right from the get-go.
No, you didn't. Holy shit, the recoil, Danny.
Danny, why did you... What the f... Was that you? Did you put a SAM turret in the
Yeah.
fucking building?
I wasn't sure how it works, to be honest.
It has to be outside.
Oh, can I pick it up?
No,
No,
I
I
doubt
cannot.
it.
Okay.
This guy.
Damn it. Coming to our base. Get him, Moscow.
Oh, no, come on! Bro!
That balls of steel, boy.
You got teeth of steel. You still got braces?
Yeah, that's how tough it is. Who's contesting me?
Me?
Damn it. Clearly.
Wait.
Oh, come on, dude! I was gonna throw my RC at you.
Yeah. Who is this? Oh my god. I thought you said you didn't like that, fucking thing. The thermal
What, the
scope.
RC?
No, the thermal scope.
Well, in multiplayer, it's not so bad.
Oh my god, look at this guy. Took out our whole team.
Switching sides. Charlie locked down. Securing B.
Yeah, I was trying to look for you.
Securing Alpha.
I'm scared! Oh shit! Fucking die! Oh my god, someone's got a trophy system. Yay! Who did that? Was that your trophy system?
No, I don't even have a trophy system. I
Oh
have a
my
turret.
fucking... One of the bots threw down a fucking trophy system and rendered my War Machine bullshit.
Yeah.
Enemy took B. Enemy spy plane inbound. A locked
Damn it. I blew myself up with it. Godly.
No, I shot it. I think I might have killed you because I shot it when it was right next to you.
Fuck you.
Danny, I swear to God, you fucking ass crack.
taking B.
Damn it. Run up there to kill you and everything.
Yeah, I saw.
Did this guy really just run past me?
Stop! Give me the fucking point!
No. Oh, okay. Well, if you watch me put that turd down and everything.
Yeah. Bane of my existence. Get back here, bitch. Where you going? Oh my god.
This is a close round. Holy cow.
Yeah,
We're gonna win, but it's crazy.
Yeah, it was pretty close. Especially
Yeah.
at the beginning there. First half time.
Yeah.
So we doing other people now? What are we doing?
Yeah, sure.
We're going to Garrison.
Yeah.
I've never been
Garrison. Have we
Like-
been in this map before?
No. That tank had a little bedroll just in case it got sleepy.
Yeah. Looks like we're on the American side,
We got some
John.
fucking furries on our side, Danny. We're already done. We lost.
Nah. Oh, shoot.
Holy fuck.
Was this? Oh, it was a sniper. I thought it was the grenade.
Defended, baby. I died, baby.
I killed him, baby.
I think I'm gonna go all the way over to A and just fuck with that sniper out there.
Yeah. What does the field mic do, might I ask?
It tells people where, if someone's in that location.
Yeah.
So it's like a little mini radar thing.
Figure that out as you said it. No!
Oh man, I had ran out of bullets.
Kill him, kill him! Yeah!
Oh, they got.
Coming in.
They got B.
Someone's above us. Nice. Phew! Were you going up there for that person?
Yep. This is the play of the game. Wow.
Yeah, this dude's just camping.
Wow.
Dude's just camping. Of course it's me!
This is the play of the game. Okay. Oh my god, I got my fucking sentry gun, Danny.
Sentry gun?
Yeah.
Mine's only halfway. Where are you gonna place it down at?
Somewhere annoying, hopefully.
In a strategic spot. That's the best
Oh my god.
course of action.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Come on. Cannot play it.
Oh god.
Bro, come on, let me plant this fucking ugly thing. God damn. Can't place it here. Can't place it here. Oh, we can place it right in front of the fucking wall. We're not gonna hit anyone. That's fine.
Oh, what the? Oh my goodness. This person came at me with a bat.
Yeah.
Killed him though.
Where is everybody?
Being sneaky. That's probably what it is. I don't like this hole in the frickin' floor.
Yo, mama. Go in there. I dare you.
Oh sh!
Please don't do that.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
I walked straight into that too. Nice.
Oh,
We've taken the win.
we did it, Danny.
Scour the area for intel. Booty gang lord.
Yeah, right. That guy's asleep at the wheel.
Told you, John, we'd win. The furries help us win.
No. Dwiven. Uh-oh. It's Dwiven. It's Dwiven.
Dwiven Richards.
I don't know who that is.
Yeah, I literally made that name up as I said it.
You know lying is a sin, Danny?
No.
Did you know that the deepest circle of hell is reserved for people that lie and betray? Just like you did?
No.
Yeah, well, it is. And you're there. You're gonna be there, Danny. You're there right now.
No.
You're there right now.
No.
You're there right now, Danny. You're there right now and you
No.
can't even fucking see it!
No. I have you muted so I can't hear you.
This guy's always running away
Nebraska.
from problems. This guy's always running away from his issues. Where are you? Fuck you. Fucking... Look at this ugly ass motherfucker. Yeah, run away from this, bitch. Yo, watch, check this.
Oh my goodness, I'm shooting that flower.
What? I shot him in the dick! No way! He doesn't even have a scope on his gun. You gotta be kidding me. Someone's up top here. Oh shit! Get me the fuck out of here! Up!
I killed him.
Sick. I'm doing like jack shit. Holy shit! Get me the fuck out of here!
What is going on out here? I swear, someone's not guarding freaking.
Stop.
A.
C secure.
Oh, I can reload it. Nice.
Motherfucker's chasing me.
Remove that.
I'm doing jack shit on this one, I gotta admit.
Sniper, take cover.
Oh shit.
Someone's taking A.
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
I can't get anything else, that's for sure.
Halftime.
Wait, who made it first? Oh, what?
Oh, maybe we ran out of like actual time, I don't know.
Draw. Stand down.
Oh, it's a draw.
I don't know how he saw that guy, but that was funny. Boo.
Bang! Going to echelon again.
Yeah? You gonna say that thing that you said last time?
Yes, I will.
I'm gonna have to edit it out again.
Lean off to some elite.
Oh my god. Danny, come on.
Are we on the same team?
Yes. Maybe. Yes.
Shouldn't take long to see people.
Quadruple 6 Weedmaster. Gate!
We're in the lead.
Oh, triple kill! That was amazing.
Nice. Oh shit. Nice.
He shot at me.
Yeah. I was scared.
This isn't working. We're behind.
We're behind. My boy just got a triple.
Yeah. What are you talking about, game? Oh, jeez.
Enemy RCXD detected.
Good effect
Uh-oh.
on target.
XD.
XD. I'm following it right now. Never mind,
Fuck!
We're losing the advantage.
Kill him! Oh no, dang it. They're gonna destroy my field mic. Oh well.
Oh, they're hanging. They're holding up in that fucking room. No wonder why I haven't seen them all game, dude.
I was
trying
gonna
to-
say, have you been doing something?
I've been trying to find these motherfuckers. I killed him for you.
They,
Enemy is down.
yeah, I was gonna say, someone was following me there.
Kill.
People, just stay in cover for peak's sakes. Don't give the helicopter the kills. Of course.
Fuck, dude.
Ah, I killed that guy, but he killed me. I'm right behind you, John.
Take a good whiff, motherfucker.
No.
Check the damn targets.
Alright, well, you know what? Nice.
God damn it, plant this fucking sentry turret, please.
This person was in the way.
Plant the fucking turret, my god! Holy shit!
Holy smokes.
God damn it.
Mission parameters.
Way to follow the script, boys. No way, I got the best play?
Nice. Oh yeah, it must have been your triple, huh?
No, this wasn't the triple, but I like got a crazy kill streak here.
Oh, okay.
Watch.
Oh shit! What the fuck, Danny? Nah, what? I had better. What the fuck was that?
Yeah, they like the power of lag was on my side.
I guess that and like I don't know. I gotta admit, Danny, I saw better on my screen. Not to be rude, or it's like.
Yeah, there you go. Put me down like I put you down.
That's right, bitch.
Just how. yeah.
I'm gonna use your fucking tongue as my toilet paper, boy.
Pff, hell no. Okay, stop recording.
Don't worry, Danny. I'll pay
Oh, that
you.
was a good round.
I said, don't worry, Danny. I'll pay you.
No, hell no. Not even $1 million would get me to.
You wouldn't do it for $1 million,
No.
bro? I'd be,
Fuck no.
dude. I'd be fucking gathering every homeless man I could and fucking cleaning that shit out, just for the chance to get $1 million.
Fuck no.